If you suddenly and unexpectedly feel joy, don't hesitate. Give in to it. There are plenty of lives and whole towns destroyed or about to be. We are not wise and not very often kind, and much can never be redeemed. Still, life has some possibility left. Perhaps this is its way of fighting back, that sometimes something happens better than all the riches or power in the world. It could be anything, but very likely you notice it in the instant when love begins.
Never saw the morning light quite like I do now. Never said no to a party, never started saving money. But everything is different since you've been around. It's the way you're smiling at me, it's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I have never known a love.
And what does this love look like? It looks like patience. It looks like kindness. This love is not envious or boastful, arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way, but insists on each other's way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice in wrongdoing, but rejoices in the truth. It bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends.
Didn't used to know how fast time walks and runs and flies by. I never thought I'd feel so deeply, but damn I do. It's the way you're smiling at me, it's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy.
You are a husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is.
I introduce to you Mr. and Mrs.
Never known a
Peterson.
love like this. It's funny how everything I dreamed about starts to seem so empty without you. It's the way you're smiling at me, it's in the way you hold my hand. It's the way I've watched you change me from a boy into a man. It's a million things about you, and I don't know what it is, but I've never known a love like this. I've never known a love like this.
I think of saints today. Maura is from Greater St. Paul. Lance is from St. James. Is that right? They met in St. Peter. And if that isn't enough, their mother, or rather Maura's mother, excuse me, who left us far too soon, Patrice, was certainly a saint for marrying me.